Today we are talking about 5 mistakes every video editor makes, and you're probably making at least 3 of them. No plan for edit, too many effects, starting every project from zero without having any template, making decisions during edit, and the one mistake that almost no one talks about, the one that costs you most money. In the next 6 minutes, I will break down all 5 mistakes and fix for every single one of them and the system that solves all 5 at once. Starting with mistake number 1. And now it don't matter if you're using CapCut, After Effects, Premiere Pro or After Effects. Mistake number 1. Start editing in a software. You open your editing software, you start dragging clips without having actually any idea what you're about to edit, and then 1 hour later you end up with 12 different clips and absolutely no idea what you are about to edit. And here's a fix to this: start collecting inspiration. And if you don't know how to collect inspiration, every time you see a nice edit on Instagram or Twitter, take a screenshot, save it into your folder, name it inspiration, and now you are already collecting ideas before you even start editing. And when you are in situations when you have a low creativity, you can always come back to this folder and you have an entire folder with a lot of screenshots from other editors. Either it's a captions, animations, transition, anything that you like and you would like to use it later on for your projects, add it to this folder and you always have a great starting point. And mistake number 2, we add too many effects. Video editors keep adding effects to every single animation, every single transition, polishing animations that don't really even matter, and the most importantly, they spend so many hours on polishing 5 seconds animations. And here is a quick solution to this: edit for your targeted audience and not for yourself. Because even with a simple edit, you can still generate great results. Exactly like we did for this client, we are only adding captions and we are generating over 1 million views every single month. But the most importantly, we are having people flying from Europe all the way to Costa Rica to buy real estate, which is high ticket offer. Keep in mind that you don't have to throw effect on every part of the video and edit for targeted audience and not for yourself or other video editors. Mistake number 3, we have absolutely no plan or ideas what we are going to edit, and because we have no plan, we spend 2 hours on polishing every single animation, going from hook to body to CTA and then back to hook. Then you start sourcing all your materials and you swing to the Gmail, check if client responded, and this all happens because you don't have a plan. And here's a quick fix to this: how you can create a plan. I'm going to show you actually 2 options. Here I shown one, which is a storyboard, and the very first thing, storyboard your content. Even if it's long form content, short form content, storyboard your content and visually represent what you're actually going to edit, because you have a clear plan and you can easily jump forward. And the second option is how you can create a plan. Open your notes and start making a plan while you're doing a raw cut, because I believe that once you're going through the footage, you start getting already some ideas. And if you're not getting ideas for your edits, go to your inspiration folder and go through your script and see which inspirations you saved already you could possibly use for your editing. And again, focus on do not over edit your footage, because you edit for your audience and not for yourself or for other editors. Audience first, because this is going to bring you way more results than nice polishing animations. And the very last thing I'm going to say about this mistake: if you can't visualize it, you can't realize it. For each of this mistake, I have a dedicated module inside a Skool community, full fix for each of them, and my step-by-step system that I use in order to charge $5,000 per project. Of course, you will master CapCut editing and get access to full program, including networking with myself and other members. Link is below if you want it. And now, mistake number 4. We start every single project from zero. So it don't matter if you're using Premiere, DaVinci, CapCut, all this software allows you to fix this mistake number 4. And if you start every single project from zero, it means you have to do the same steps over and over. That is pure waste. And here's a quick fix to this: you can use mine as an inspiration and build your own template before you start editing every single project. And what I mean by template: create one project and add all your most used sound effects, animations, transitions, anything that you use in every single project to one master template. And every time you're starting editing, make sure you create a duplicate and you edit in that pre-built template. All your sound effects are lined up on one timeline. All your most used effects, all your most used transitions, text animations, icons pop up, backgrounds, anything, your sound effects add it on one timeline, and have it ready before you start editing. And if you want to see full workflow, how to build this master template, you will find it inside our School community. Mistake number 5, decisions during editing. If you spend a lot of time on thinking what you're about to edit next, then I have a quick solution for you that fixes this problem. And if you keep asking yourself what I'm gonna edit next, is it looking really great, you will end up in a loop of non-stop editing. And here's a quick fix to this. I call it 6 stages of editing, and the idea is to focus on one activity at a time. That's exactly why I built 6 stages of editing. Each stage flows into the next one. If you want a complete breakdown how this 6 stages of editing works, click this video next. And if you want a complete editing masterclass and join our community, I leave you a link down in the description.